the two cases which we have to make use of, or which we need to conclude few things. That is, when are lines parallel and perpendicular? So given A1, B1, A2, C2 and all of this information in our Cartesian form, under what condition can we tell the lines are parallel or perpendicular? To be honest, we have seen this at least parallel thing in our schooling, matlab few years back. Can you think when are lines said to be parallel? When their slopes are not equal, right? No, wrong. When the slopes are equal. When the slopes are equal, then the lines are parallel. So indirectly, what are we telling? The direction ratios have to be, this implies the direction ratios or direction cosine, whatever you guys want to call it as. I mean, they are two different things actually. Yes, they will be equal. So A1 by A2 should be equal to B1 by B2 should be equal to C1 by C2. So for the lines to be parallel, theta has to be either 0 or 180. So basically, if I want to get a 0, right? If I have a 0 over here, cos 0 is what? 1. So if I want 1 from all of this, this ratio has to be equal. So basically, the numerator and denominator has to be equal. For that, this condition should be equal. So there are many ways of looking at this. So the underlying thing is this. Again, same thing is applicable for your direction cosine also. Right? Then, when will the line be perpendicular? Perpendicular, let's talk about the funda. Well, theta should be equal to 90 degree. Okay. So cos theta will be equal to cos 90, which is equal to 0. So basically, I have to get 0 from this. So how will I get 0? Yes, the numerator has to be equal to 0. That's it. It's nothing else. So basically, what is the numerator? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 should be equal to 0. Or if you think of dot product, right? Vector n and m, dot product has to be equal to 0 because cos theta is 0, right? So there are many ways of thinking about it. Again, if your vector topic is clear, this though is nothing. It's an extension. Okay, guys. Yeah. Pause and write it off. We have application based questions on this, so it is must for you guys to know these conditions.